Hi, I'm Bonnie. I'm with WTI, and this is my Nailtiques Protein Nail Finisher.
Oh, look how much this adds. It's my Nailtiques #2 Super Top Coat Nail Protein. Extra layer of protection from everyday life. And it lasts so much longer. See how it already looks pretty, but with this, it adds so much more. It really makes the colors just pop. I've gotten so many compliments on this. This top coat is strengthening and it protects my nails, so I don't have to keep painting them every single day. It is quick drying and it has very little odor compared to most nail polishes. And I have to say, it really helped me with brittle, cracking, splitting nails. I don't have that anymore. So even now, after many years, I still use it.
And that's my point of view.